Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena. Today I'm going to talk about the poly body, and because for myself I always having hard time to paint the body, so like my body is always looks very bad because I think I have no talent for it. So as you guys know, if you want to do the paint job, and let's say you want to paint this spot, and let's say the spoiler you want to paint in different colors, you can using the tape, or you can using there's some kind of a gel, and you can using that. For me, the gel is a little bit expensive for myself because I'm not good on it, so that's expensive for me. And the tape, there's a lots of job you have to do it. You have to using the hobby knife something to cut it and to make it looks good. For me, it's pretty good and easy for myself. Hopefully you guys will like that too. Alright, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so as you guys see here, I have what we call the school glued. So people might think, oh, what's the difference between this kind of stuff and the gel for using for the body? It's basically same idea, but just in Canada, the gel that we bought for the small bottle, it can buy a lot of this one. Okay, so like for me, like I mentioned, I'm not good on that, so it give me something is really good, but I don't know how to do it really good, and that's such a waste. So for me, I prefer using this kind of stuff. At least, even though if that's really I didn't make it good, I can take it off and do until I make it good. I'm not wasting too much. So this one I can do whatever I want, like no matter how many times. I won't feel I'm wasting a lot of money. Okay, so let's see how it works. Let's go. Okay, so here I just do a little bit more. So on the side you can see here using the glued, and just cover this part, if you can see, and also this part, and here 1 and 2, and the side and the spoiler, the other side as well, the side and the spoiler. Okay, so later on we are going to paint it, and also to see how it looks like. And here you can see I have another extra one because we are using this kind of a brush anyways. So I just thinking maybe I can wrote something on the body and maybe see how it works. So here I just wrote arena and some Chinese word, and here arena as well, and there's something. So we're just gonna do a test. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so you can see here after we finish paint, of course, like I said, I'm really not good on that, and I just found this way, so it's still I'm still trying to practicing. But the only thing I find out is, see over here you can see in the video I tried to using the tools and to finish like to do the edges, and it does really, like, well, it works. Actually it does works, because you can see that here I didn't do it properly, but here is doing pretty good. So it's after the painting is like this. Okay, and also we have to do the test over here to wrote the letters on it. And but also when you do this kind of a painting, if you try to wrote the letters, please be careful on the edges, okay? Because if you wrote something is too complicated, you're probably gonna screw up. Like here I'll try to wrote some Chinese letters, but it's totally screwed up. But something simple like the letters like here, like arena something, it works. But for me, actually it's just a test, so I'm not saying I'm doing a very good job, okay? But just showing you, give you some idea, maybe you can do better than I do. Yeah, because I have, like I said, I have no talents for it, so I can't say I'm doing good. But for you guys, maybe you guys can do it good. Alright, so this is today's video, and if you like this video and you think this video might help you a little bit, please hit the like button over there, and that will help me a lot. Okay, so if you like this video and you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.